The Auburn Tigers hosted the Alabama Crimson Tide in what was nothing short of a thrilling matchup here at Jordan-Hare. While neither team would go on to win the SEC West, both teams had high stakes entering this year's Iron Bowl. With a win, Auburn would be one victory closer to achieving a 10-win season while knocking Alabama out of playoff contention. But at the same time, Alabama looked to beat Auburn convincingly enough in order to prove to the playoff committee that they are worthy of inclusion. Alabama put the first points on the board with a field goal. Auburn's first scoring drive started with a 36-yard return by Shaun Shivers. Quarterback Bo Nix rushed left for 7 yards and scored, giving Auburn the lead 7-3 at the end of the first. The next scoring play came from the Tide in the form of a rushing touchdown by Najee Harris. Alabama was up 10-7 when Auburn tied the score at 10 with a field goal by Anders Carlson. With a little over 5 minutes left in the half, Auburn's Smoke Monday intercepted a pass from Mac Jones and returned it 29 yards for a Tiger touchdown. But Alabama answered quickly with a 98-yard kickoff return by Jalen Waddle to tie up the game 17-17. After an Auburn fumble, a 3-yard pass from Jones to Henry Ruggs put the Tide ahead 24-17 with 4 minutes left in the half. A 37-yard reception by Seth Williams propelled Auburn in their next scoring drive. After an 11-yard in-the-air catch by Will Hastings, a 14-yard pass from Nix connected with Sal Cannella to tie the game once again. With only 30 seconds left in the first half, a 58-yard pass from Jones gave Waddle his second touchdown of the night. After a second look at the time on the clock, Auburn was given one more second to play and one more chance to put points on the board before halftime. A field goal from Carlson only put Auburn behind 4 points entering the third quarter. Auburn struck first in the second half with a field goal, cutting Alabama's lead to 1 point. But after a 100-yard interception by Auburn's Zacoby McClain off the back of an Alabama receiver, Auburn gained the lead, 37-31. With 5 minutes left, Waddle scored his third touchdown of the night and put the Tide ahead once again. But with less than a minute left in the third quarter, an Auburn field goal flipped the lead once more. After Waddle's fourth touchdown of the night, Alabama once again pulled ahead. With 8 minutes left in the game, an 11-yard rush from Shivers gave Auburn 6 points. The touchdown, paired with a successful 2-point conversion, put Auburn ahead 3 points with a score of 48-45. With 2 minutes left on the clock and Alabama looking to tie the game, kicker Joseph Belovas missed the field goal, instead hitting the left upright. Auburn kept possession of the ball to win the game with a final score of 48-45. With the victory, Auburn's season record moves to 9-3, and their hopes of achieving a 10-win season are still alive. All that's left in their way is a bowl game. From Jordan-Hare Stadium, this is Delaney Barrow, Eagle Eye TV.